Picture yourself stepping onto a vibrant German university campus, surrounded by students from all over the world. Imagine living in a lively student dorm, sharing meals in bustling cafeterias, and exploring local supermarkets, experiencing daily life in Germany, all while making new friends and memories. Now think about focusing on your studies in world-class libraries and classrooms, without the stress of tuition fees or worrying about how to pay your rent. With a monthly stipend supporting your living expenses, you can truly concentrate on your education and build a bright future. This isn't just a fantasy. It's possible through the DAAD Heinrich Böll Scholarship for 2026, now open for applications until the 1st of March, 2026. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the application process, show you what documents you need, and share tips to help you stand out and achieve your dream of studying in Germany. Before we continue, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel because I share fully funded scholarship opportunities, step-by-step application guidance, and strategies that actually help students win scholarships. Subscribe now so you never miss an opportunity like this. The DAAD Heinrich Böll Scholarship is one of the most prestigious fully funded scholarships available for international students who want to pursue a master's or PhD degree in Germany. It is designed for students with strong academic records, leadership potential, and a passion for creating positive change in society. Let us start with what this scholarship covers. First, full financial support. Your tuition fees are covered. Second, you receive a monthly stipend of around €934 for master's students, which helps you pay for accommodation, food, transportation, and daily living expenses. Third, there are additional allowances such as health insurance, travel support, and possible research grants. Fourth, you gain access to mentorship programs, networking opportunities, workshops, and academic support that help shape you into a global professional. This scholarship is not just about studying, it is about building future leaders. Now let us talk about who can apply. You must have completed a bachelor's degree if you are applying for a master's program. You must meet the admission requirements of a German university. You must show strong academic performance. You must demonstrate leadership, social engagement, or community involvement. You must clearly explain how your studies will contribute to society or your home country after graduation. This scholarship looks for students who are not only intelligent but also responsible, motivated, and impact-driven. Now let us go step by step through the application process. Step 1. Choose your course and university in Germany. Research programs that align with your academic background and career goals. Make sure you meet language requirements such as IELTS, TOEFL, or German proficiency if required. Step 2. Prepare your documents early. This is where most applicants fail because they rush. So, you will need a strong academic CV. Official transcripts and certificates are also necessary. Make sure you have proof of university admission or application, as well as recommendation letters. And, most importantly, a powerful motivation letter. Your motivation letter is really the heart of your application. It must explain your story, your goals, why you chose your field, why Germany, and how you plan to make an impact after your studies. If you want real examples of winning motivation letters, I highly recommend getting the scholarship ebook linked in the description and pinned comment. It contains letters from successful scholars and teaches you how to structure your documents so they stand out to selection committees. Step 3. Show alignment with values. The scholarship looks for students committed to sustainability, innovation, justice, and social responsibility. You must connect your academic goals to real-world problems you want to solve. Step 4. Submit your application before the 1st of March, 2026. Do not wait until the last minute. Strong applications take time to refine. Now here are some common mistakes you absolutely must avoid. Submitting a generic motivation letter that you've copied for multiple scholarships is a big no. Also, focusing only on your personal benefits instead of the impact you can make won't get you far. Using weak recommendation letters from people who barely know you, yeah, that's another one to steer clear of. Waiting too late to prepare your documents is risky, honestly. Ignoring the importance of leadership and community involvement can really hurt your chances. Selection committees, they want to see your initiative, your vision, and most importantly, your authenticity. Let me ask you a question. What course are you planning to study in Germany? Go ahead and write it in the comments, along with your country. I'd honestly love to know, and it helps build a community of applicants supporting each other. To really stand out, start early. Be intentional with every step. Connect your academic journey to meaningful change. Show clear evidence of your leadership. And be upfront about your goals and your future vision. Studying in Germany gives you access to world-class education, international exposure, and career opportunities that can truly transform your life. But winning this scholarship takes preparation, not luck. If you're serious about applying, begin today. Organize your documents, craft a strong story, and make sure to use the scholarship eBook to guide you, with proven examples that have helped other students succeed. The link to the eBook is in the description and also pinned in the comments. Just remember, the deadline is the 1st of March, 2026. Do not delay. If this video helped you, please like the video so more students can discover this opportunity. Subscribe for more fully funded scholarships and share this video with someone who needs it. Your journey to studying in Germany for free can start now. Take action, prepare well, and I really look forward to seeing your success story. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.